one of the first thing we look at when proposing some of these very, very large transformation projects to MeBot clients is quick wins. Where can we show that there is value to the advice that we're giving and give that really quick, maybe not easy, but at least smaller in scale option to adjust something, to change something, whether it's a process or a workflow, and involve some sort of efficiency into the process, and then move on to the next step of getting bigger and better and a larger scale transformation. So I love that that's an option because if you're looking at a big technology change, a lot of companies immediately their response is that's too much all at once. It's just not possible. So the fact that this is implementable in smaller steps that show the value and that can bring some of those savings to the table at the beginning is a huge opportunity for these businesses to get in and start utilizing blockchain technology in their business.